Now let's see another rule for comparative degree. When an adjective ends with y, we change it to IER. Okay, whenever an adjective is ending with y, मतलब उसकी spelling में last letter y है, then we will change that y to IER. We will remove that y and we will add IER. Now let's see few examples. Pretty. Children, in pretty, I have removed y and added IER, so it becomes the comparative degree. That is prettier. Next, tasty. Tastier. Happy. Happier. Heavy. Heavier. Healthy. Healthier. Okay, if I talk about my two bags, I'm having two bags. One is red and the other one is green. Okay, I say my green bag is heavy. Then I am talking about just a single thing, my green bag, so I have used the positive degree. But when I will compare my green bag with my red bag, I will say my green bag is heavier than my red bag. ठीक है, मेरा green bag ज़्यादा heavy है. So children, see, I have not used word heavy in this sentence. I have used heavier. मैंने heavy में से y को remove करके IER को add किया है. Means I have used the comparative degree. So whenever we have to compare between two different things, we will remove y and add IER to compare two different things. Okay. Now let's see few examples. Rahul is lazier than Rita. Children, here we are comparing the laziness of Rahul and Rita. So Rahul is means Rahul Rita से ज़्यादा lazy है. So what we have done, we have removed y and added IER. So Rahul is lazier than Rita. Next, my friend is crazier than me. Here also we have removed y and added IER. Next, eating fruits is healthier than eating junk food. Children, this is always taught to you that you should not eat junk food and you should eat fruits and healthy vegetables. Why? Because fruits are very healthy, whereas junk food, it spoil our health. ठीक है, तो again I am using word healthy for eating fruits. But when I compare fruits with junk food, means I am comparing two different things. I will remove y and add IER. So I will use the word healthier instead of healthy. So eating fruits is healthier than eating junk food. My bag is heavier than yours. Again, I have compared two bags, means yours and mine. So I have used the word heavier in place of heavy. Now let's see another rule. Some adjectives also use more or less in their comparative degree. ठीक है, कुछ adjective में we use more or less before them to convert them into their comparative form. For example, beautiful, we use more beautiful or less beautiful. Interesting, we use more interesting or less interesting. Expensive, we use more expensive or less expensive. Colorful, more colorful or less colorful. Okay, if I say that my ring is expensive, then I am talking about my ring only, which is expensive. If I compare my ring with my necklace, okay, मैंने अपनी ring को अपने necklace से compare किया, so I will say my ring is less expensive than my necklace. Means मेरी ring necklace से कम expensive है. और I will say my necklace is more expensive than my ring. Means मेरा necklace ring से ज़्यादा expensive है. So we can use more or less before some adjectives to convert them into their comparative form. Now let's see few examples. The girl is more intelligent than the boy. Here we are comparing the intelligence of the girl and the boy and we have used more. हमने क्या use किया? More before the adjective to convert it into comparative form. So the girl is more intelligent than the boy. My sister is more beautiful than me. Here I am comparing the beauty of me and my sister and I find that my sister is more beautiful. मेरी sister ज़्यादा beautiful है. So I have used more with the adjective beautiful to convert it into comparative form. So my sister is more beautiful than me. A daisy flower is less beautiful than a rose flower. Children, we know, I think, means you also might find that rose is the most beautiful flower. Okay, most beautiful bola मैंने. Have you thought why I have used most word here in place of more? Because I am comparing rose with all the flowers, not only one or two. सब flowers के साथ मैंने उसको compare किया है. Okay, this you will learn in the superlative degree. But today we are learning the comparative form. So let's see to this example. Daisy is less beautiful than rose flower. Daisy क्या है? हमने दो flowers में comparison किया है, daisy और rose में, and I find कि daisy कम beautiful है. So I have used the word less before beautiful to convert it into comparative form. So a daisy flower is less beautiful than a rose flower. I find Hindi less difficult than maths. Okay, children, here I am comparing two subjects, that is Hindi or maths, and I find कि Hindi थोड़ी कम difficult है maths से. So what I have used? Less before the adjective difficult. Okay, so less difficult will be the comparative form for difficult. The adjective difficult. I find Hindi less difficult than maths. So children, more interesting, more intelligent, less beautiful, less difficult, these all are also the comparative form of the adjective. Children, in this chapter we have learned about the positive and the comparative degree till now. But a part of this chapter is left, which is the superlative degree, which you will learn in your next class. Okay, I hope. Children, let's revise it quickly. In positive degree, we have used positive degree for one subject, means for one noun or pronoun, or for similar kinds of noun. या तो similar होते हैं या single होता है. And comparative degree we are using when we want to compare between two objects. अगर हम दो different चीज़ों को compare कर रहे हैं, दो different people को compare कर रहे हैं, then we use comparative degree. I hope you understood the chapter till here very well. Thank you.